In this video, I discuss the surface grinding machines, its various types and the basic informations related to the surface grinding machine. The surface grinding machine is generally used for grinding a flat surface. Even with the flat surface, it is also used for the irregular and the curved surface. Means its name is suggests that it is used for the surface. Okay, so either surface is flat, irregulars or a curve. It is not used for a cylindrical surface. Means it is not used for the round components. It is just used for the flat surface, irregular surface and the curved surface. Surface grinder can be classified as under. First, it's come with the reciprocating table types, and the second classification is the rotary table types. In a reciprocating table type, horizontal spindle axis means the grinding wheel is mounted on the spindle and the spindle axis is horizontal, then it is known as the horizontal spindle axis, and the table have the reciprocating motion, that is called as the reciprocating table types. In reciprocating table type, second is the vertical spindle axis, means grinding wheel is mounted on the vertical spindles. Second classification is the rotary table type, means in a first the table is reciprocating, in second instance of reciprocating motions table have a rotary motions. Okay, and it have also the same classification like as horizontal spindle axis and vertical spindle axis. Means grinding wheel is mounted on the horizontal spindle, then it is called as the rotary table with horizontal spindle axis. Grinding wheel is mounted on the vertical spindle axis, then it is called as the rotary table type with vertical spindle axis. Now we understand these four types in the detail. Before moving on that detail, I just request to like the video and subscribe the channels for watching the more video related to the manufacturing process as well as the another subject of the mechanical engineering. Various link for the manufacturing is provided in the description. For other subject, I request to visit the playlist. Now here first we understand the reciprocating table type, in which that is the two horizontals and verticals. So this figure is indicate the horizontal spindle axis. Okay, so in this image it is a side view and this is the front view. Okay, in a side view here you see this is the our grinding wheel and this wheel is mounted on the spindle axis. Okay, and when we see from the front it is look is the circular component, and this is the table have the transverse motions as well as the feed. This is the vertical spindle tables that we understand later on. First we complete the horizontal spindle axis type. Surface grinder with reciprocating tables are suitable for grinding a long surface. Means the workpiece have a long length. At that time we use the reciprocating table type. Horizontal spindle axis have grinding wheel axis in a horizontal positions. Means here you see this grinding wheel is mounted on the horizontal spindles. Okay, here in center that is a shaft, on that the grinding wheel is mounted, and the longitudinals means transverse motions is given to the table. In this image you see this is called as the transverse motions and it is given to the table, and on the table the workpiece is mounted. So transverse motion is given to the workpiece by reciprocating table, and cross moment to the table is for the feed. Means here you in this image you see that the feed is given also to the table. Okay, means table is moving in two directions, one is this and another is the these directions, and it is illustrated in this figure A. In a vertical spindle type grinder, have a grinding wheel axis is vertical positions. Okay, so this is the front view and this is the top view. Okay, in front view you see that is the vertical spindles. In this vertical spindle here this grinding wheel is provided. This is our workpiece and the transverse motion is given to the workpiece by using this reciprocating table. This is the top view. This is the table. So in the table we provide also the feed, and this is the grinding wheel and it is the rotating component. Motion to table and feed to table is same as the previous case. Okay, means in horizontal spindle axis that is a similar motion, means transverse motion is given to the workpiece by reciprocating tables and feed is also given to the table. Okay, so this is same in both the cases. Next we study the rotary table types. In rotary table type, that is again two cases, horizontal spindles and vertical spindles. Now this is the front view and this upper figure is indicate the top view. So here you see this is the table. Okay, in a front view we see the rectangle, and when we see from the top view the table is looking as the circular because it is the rotary types. Okay, and this is for the horizontal spindle axis type, and this is for the vertical spindle axis types. And this is our grinding wheel. Okay, in front view it is looking the circular, then in a top view it is look as the rectangle. Surface grinder with rotary table have a table in rotating arrangement. Okay, so table have the rotating arrangement, and also the grinding wheel is rotary type. Here also the grinding wheel axis is horizontal for horizontal spindle axis type as shown in this figure. Here you see this is a in grinding wheel and it is on the horizontal axis. Okay, in this case here you see that the grinding wheel is on the vertical spindle axis type. Okay, and according to this position the top view is change, and the vertical spindle axis of the grinding wheel for a vertical spindle axis type as shown in this figure. So in this image you see this is the vertical axis. When we seeing from the top view we look at the circulars. Okay, in this case what here it is a circular in front view, then it is converted in a rectangle in the top view. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned, then like the video, subscribe the channels and share with your friend.